Hello everyone, welcome to KTV School YouTube channel. I am Jeganathan. In this video, I would like to tell you about how to crack or ace CUET 2022 exam in successful manner, because you know CUET, what is CUET, why we are going to attend the CUET exam, so what are the benefits, where we can admit if we write a CUET. So the lot of information, I already released many videos on this topic. So in this video, just I would like to give some tips and guidelines for how to crack CUET 2022 exam, that's UG exam, first UG exam. So still if you are not subscribed our channel, please do it now. Also click that all notifications button always on, and if the information is good, please share and like with your friends and known persons. So just 5 tips for CUET 2022, right? So if you write this CUET 2022 exam, you can get admission in all over India central universities, for all bachelor degrees, including arts, science, commerce, agri, fisheries, veterinary. So a lot of UG courses are there. So if you write and clear CUET 2022, it will be good. It will be best for you to get admission all over India, all colleges, right? This is the largest entrance test, India's biggest entrance test, right? So almost more than 17 lakhs candidates already registered for 2022 exams. So be prepared. Still you have time. The exam will be conducting next month, July first week, June end or July first week. So before that, if you know or if you get some idea about how to prepare, how to crack exam, just I am giving tips. The first step, be familiar with the pattern and syllabus. The pattern and syllabus, exam pattern syllabus already released. If you refer that prospectus, you can able to find all the details, and also your book, what you studied in +1, +2, that will be the major portion for CUET exam. So be familiar with the pattern and syllabus. Pattern, how the pattern is, what are the syllabus, right? The next tip, list institutions and universities as per preference. So first list, the second step is list institutions. Institute means colleges or universities. So where you want to study, so what is your preference, which university you would like to join. So first list the university, also preference, just go for 10 or 15 universities, your nearby state or in your state or all over India. So based on that, give the preference. Also go through that website, the university or college's website, please go through it. The next third step, that is mock exams. You study your syllabus and pattern and list the universities. Third tip is mock exams. You practice test, mock test or some sample test. These are all available in CUET NTA website also, nta.ac.in. The website you can write the exams. So also practice as many as possible. This is multiple choice questions type, right? So practice everything, practice many times. The fourth important step or important tip is read newspapers regularly. So the general knowledge and other reasoning, logical thinking, these are all the inputs available from newspaper regularly. So reading the newspaper should become a habit. You may enhance your vocabulary, grammar and comprehension by reading the newspaper. So always read the newspaper. Students must devote at least 30 minutes to 1 hour for carefully reading the editorial section of newspaper. So you can find the editorial section in all newspaper. And last and most important tip, stay updated. You have to be with the updated version of all the things, right? The candidates who have chosen or will choose the general knowledge part must be well versed in current events across the world. So global general knowledge must. Many of the events will be recognizable to you, and those that are unfamiliar can be jotted down. So keep yourself well. So these are all the 5 steps. So once again, I am repeating what are all the 5 tips to crack CET 2022. The first, be familiar with the pattern and syllabus. Next, list institutions and universities as per preference. Third step, mock exams. Fourth tip, read newspapers regularly. Stay updated. That is the fifth step. These are the information. I think this information will be good for you and will be helpful for you to complete the exam successful. And I wish all CUET aspirants to get the admission by getting more marks. Keep watching our channel continuously. Our channel name is KTV School YouTube channel. Then both English and Tamil language is available from this video from our channel. So you can choose your language which one is best. Thank you for watching KTV School. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Once again, thank you.